Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So first things first, this diagonal resistance here is still very much in play, and at the moment, is that a triangle break to the downside? Hard to ascertain. We do have a grouping here of the oscillators. I think the key thing here, if I just delete that one, key thing here is that we do have a lower high from last month, and the monthly bar is a hanging man, if you look at that, and with the oscillators grouped to the upside. Then look at the weekly, and you can see sort of big up, big down. You've got tail to the upside, tail to the downside, and last week was pretty much a range bar. So my advice to you this morning is be very, very, very careful of what's going on here. And these two levels here, so you can see this, this is the weekly range here. So you can see we closed kind of in the middle of the range, and levels to watch at the moment to the downside, 15,420. Levels to watch to the upside are going to be 15,664. So looking at the 3-hour oscillators are pretty much nowhere. We do have a crossover pointing up, so probably a bit of a move up there. Futures markets are up a little bit at the moment, so it wouldn't surprise me to see a little bit of a move to the upside. But yeah, everything's looking really tired. And if you look at what happened last week, so we've got our weekly levels, but look what happened last week. We pretty much just stayed in amongst the moving averages. So at the moment we have a little bit of a gap up on the futures market, but until this shows its hand of what direction it's going, this is sideways. It's not worth trading at the moment. So pretty much the whole week last week there was nothing much on offer. Maybe a little bit of scalping for those of you trading on the 5, 3 and 1 minute charts. There probably would have been some half decent scalps there, but for me at the moment, the way that it is structured inside the moving average, look to the left here, slap bang in the middle of the range. I think I'll just wait for some better structure at the moment. And what's going to get me going is a break above this trend line and start finding support on it. Then I'm going to anticipate a move to the upside and a break of this range to the upside. If we do get back below here, then I would expect us to come and test the bottom side of the range. And if we get below the range and come back and test it, then I'd expect a little bit more of a move to the downside. But at the moment, I'm sitting quite calmly on my hands, and we'll just watch this one from a distance at the moment. Nothing really standing out to me when I look at this chart like that. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.